This is Patricia with 88 Health and Wellness. I'm working on some juices today that are going to promote a healthy liver. These juices are going to help your liver remove toxins from your body. This first juice contains 3 large carrots, an inch of ginger, and 1 lemon. This recipe is power-packed with lots of vitamins, beta-carotene from the carrots, and the ginger helps with settling any upset stomachs. The combination of it all is great to help the liver process toxins and get rid of it. This next juice that I'm making is a kale ginger apple recipe. Now, I'm not sure if you've noticed, but I do juice a lot with green apples, not red apples. And the difference is the green apple has a tartar taste. They also tend to have less sugar. And they also carry lots of vitamin A, B, C, and E, and K, and iron, potassium, and even protein. Kale, oh kale, what a great vegetable. Kale is rich in sulfur, which supports liver functions, and it helps the liver purify the blood. It's also high in vitamin A, which is also a nutrient needed for a healthy liver. Glucosinolates is in kale, and it is a compound that helps detoxify the liver and improve liver function. There's also choline. Choline is essential for liver health and helps maintain healthy cell membranes. So I'm going to add some turmeric in this juice as well, because turmeric, particularly its active compound curcumin, has been studied for potential benefits to liver health, and especially assisting in conditions like fatty liver disease. This juice is great. Just 2 ounces a day is perfect. This is going to help your liver fight off those fatty components and also function at a high level for your body and health. If you juice, go on and try this recipe. If you know somebody who's suffering from fatty liver disease, go ahead and share this information with them. I'm going to go ahead and share this with the world, and I hope it helps. This is Patricia with 88 Health and Wellness. Hit that like button and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.